Hey class, today we're going to be starting a new project and it's called My Name in Elements. So this is an informational video explaining how to do that project. The first thing on the video that I will do is read the directions. So here are the directions, they're posted on Shobi. The first thing that you need to do is write your name. You're going to write your name on a sheet of paper. So if I were to write my name, I could write Kelsey Kutsky. Alright, so here are the directions again. So you wrote your name. You can pause the video at any time if you need to stop or go over anything. Number 2, you're going to use your periodic table to find the letters that are in your first and last name. Use the periodic table app to help you with this part. Plan this out using sticky notes. Here's my example of that. Let me bring this to the front. Arrange. Alright. Now it should be better. So here is my example. I wrote out my name before, and then I used the periodic table of elements to search for elements that have the same letters that are in my name. So K was potassium, S was sulfur, but then I figured out that Se together is selenium, Y is yttrium, U is uranium, and K is potassium again. So I have 4 separate letters, 4 different letters in my name that go on the periodic table. Or technically 5 letters with this. Okay, so I can bring that down. Next direction. Not all the letters in your name will be found on the periodic table. Look in my example to know what to do with these letters. So looking at my example again, E, L, so right here, E, L, T, Z, and E again are not on the periodic table of elements. I'm just leaving those off to the side. Alright, now I'll take a look at this again. And so direction 3 says, on sticky notes, write each element. Element symbol in the center, atomic number in the upper left corner, and the name of the element below the element symbol. So in this example, I can zoom in on K here. I have the letter K, that's the element symbol. That is in the center. The element name, potassium, is down below K. And the atomic number is in the top left-hand corner. Taking a look here now, notice I didn't put the labels on my actual example. I only put it on this example. Yours will look something like this. Mine just had these labels written in to help you. Okay, so that's what that was explaining. And then I have provided you with an example of my name, so you can refer to this example while you're working on yours. Direction 4. Create the final draft of your name and elements using your choice of app. I made my final draft in PicCollage. So here's what mine looked like on PicCollage. You can use Notes, you can use PicCollage, you can use Keynote, you can use Drawcast, any sort of drawing or editing app you can use. Or if you want to do this with pencil and paper, you're more than welcome, but it needs to be decorated, so you'll probably actually want to use marker and paper. Alright, so I'll go back to my directions. I just read direction 4. Now direction 5. Fill out the table on Shobi. Write the name of each element you found in your name. Here is the table on Shobi. I gotta bring that to the front now. There we go. Here's the table on Shobi that you are going to be filling out. You're going to write each of the elements that you found in your name right here. You're going to be writing your name in this space. And then you're going to be filling out the information for each element in these columns. Here's my example. So my example has potassium, selenium, yttrium, and uranium. For each of those examples, I use my periodic table app to find the atomic number. Right here. The atomic number for potassium is 19. The atomic number for selenium is 34. The atomic number for yttrium is 39. And the atomic number for uranium is 92. I also looked up the atomic mass using my app. The number of protons, neutrons, and electrons I found using Google search. So here's the Google search that I typed in. So here's the Google search blown up. So I just typed in potassium, electron, proton, neutron, atomic number, and atomic mass there. And then you'll take a look and you'll see it talks a little bit about calcium, but then down here it says potassium has a mass number of 39 and an atomic number of 19. In order to find the number of protons and electrons, you use the atomic number. So going back to my example, the atomic number here for potassium is 19. Potassium is 19, that's the atomic number. The proton and electron number is the same as the atomic number. Notice that those are all the same, the protons, electrons, and atomic number. The atomic mass is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. The atomic mass is if I added protons and neutrons together. So, atomic mass subtracting the number of protons, or the atomic mass subtracting the atomic number, would equal the number of neutrons in that element. Now taking a look at selenium, the atomic number for selenium is 34. The atomic mass is about 79 if I rounded. The number of protons is 34. The number of electrons is 34 because the atomic number is 34. In order to find the number of neutrons, I took the number 79. I subtracted 34 from 79, and I got 45 neutrons. Same thing for yttrium. The atomic number was 39. The atomic mass was about 89. I took 89, subtracted 39 to get 50. So that's, oh, my alarm's going off. Sorry, everybody. So that's how you find the atomic, or that's how you find the number of neutrons in yttrium. For uranium, that's right here, you take the atomic number and you subtract the atomic number from the atomic mass in order to get the number of neutrons. The number of protons and the number of electrons are the same as the atomic number. If you have questions about that, I will gladly help you figure that out once you get there. So on these directions, I just want to make sure I get everything. I want to bring this to the front. I want you to be able to read it. There we go. So on here, you filled out Shobi
and this is where I'm at. So you wrote the name of each element you found in your search engine, and then you wrote the atomic number, atomic mass, and you found the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons for each element. This is going to take a while. It's not super easy to find. You're going to have to do some digging and searching, but I know you can do it. I have provided you with an example of the table using the elements found in my name. Refer to this example if you need help. And just remember, these will be posted around the room, so be creative in how you decorate your name. You may use any materials you would like. Options include paper, Pic Collage, notes, Drawcast, Keynote, etc. Part of your grade will be how creative you can get with this project. I'm looking for some great creativity to decorate this room. So here was my final copy. Let me bring this to the front. Here's my final copy. Oh, there we go. And yours does not have to look like this, but I do want it to look pretty cool. So your job is to make a final copy and fill in this table on Shobi. If you have directions, I posted the directions on Shobi, or you can refer back to this video. Thank you, and have a great day.